Today, you'll learn how you can do keyword research on eBay using Keywords Everywhere, so you can find the best keywords to use for your eBay listings. So let's get started. Okay, doing keyword research on eBay is very simple and straightforward with Keywords Everywhere. So to start, you need to have the Keywords Everywhere extension installed on your browser, and you need to purchase credits from Keywords Everywhere as well. All right, so once you have that, go to eBay and simply do a search. Today, let's search for something around shoes. Maybe we are creating a listing for Nike shoes. Okay, so we want to do keyword research around Nike shoes. So as I type my keyword, you can see some recommended keywords that are appearing below right here. So you can see specific keyword level data for these recommended keywords. So you can see the average, the monthly search volume, right, for this keyword, the average cost per click, the competition score, and you can see the monthly search volume over the past 12 months. And then if you hover over the bar graph, you can see the specific search volume for that respective month. Now, keep in mind, all of this keyword level data is coming from Google. So you are looking at the Google monthly search volume and also the cost per click data as well. And also, this data is coming from the respective country that you have selected. So if you click on your Keywords Everywhere extension, you can see I have the United States as selected. You can select any available country right here, or you can even select global as well. Now, depending on what you select, the data will change to reflect that specific country or global. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my search bar, and let's just say we want to search for Nike shoes, and we're going to click enter. Now, right below the search bar, you can see keyword level data specifically for this search term I searched for. So for Nike shoes, you can see the monthly search volume, the average cost per click, competition score, and the monthly search volume over the past 12 months. Now this star here, say for example, you think that Nike shoes, this keyword is something that maybe you want to refer to later. You can click on this star to add it to your favorites list. And then this link right here, find eBay keywords for Nike shoes in the US. If you click on this link, Keywords Everywhere will do keyword research for Nike shoes. Okay, so this is how the report looks like. So Keywords Everywhere found close to 500 eBay keywords for Nike shoes. Okay, so keep in mind, this list of keywords does come from eBay. So these are the most popular keywords that people are searching for on eBay. Now you can see the respective monthly search volume, average cost per click, the competition, the search volume over the past 12 months, and then also the trending percentage. Also, this data is only available if you've purchased credits from Keywords Everywhere. Okay, so looking at this list will give you some really good insights into the best keywords you can use for your eBay listings, like your product titles, including your product descriptions as well, right? So you want to make sure you are using the most popular keywords for your eBay listings. So you can slice and dice this information however you want to by filtering certain things. Say, for example, looking at this list of keywords, the search volume is quite high, right? It's pretty high. So let's just say I want to look for keywords that have a little bit less search volume to see maybe keywords that are more relevant for my business. So let's just say I only want to look for keywords between search volume of 100 and 1000. So you can type that in, and Keywords Everywhere will only show me the keywords with the search volume between 100 and 1000, okay? And then you can do the same for cost per click, competition, and trending percentage as well. And then you can also reset filters to undo everything. And then these stars, say for example, you think Nike shoes for women is a good keyword for you, you can just click on the star to add it to your favorites list. And then you can also click on this checkbox right here, which I think is a really powerful feature from Keywords Everywhere. So strict exact match. That basically means this phrase, Nike shoes, will be shown exact match for all of these keywords here. Okay, so if I click on this checkbox, you will see that Nike shoes will be added, or that term exactly, Nike shoes, is on every single keyword phrase here. Okay, so if you want to go a little bit more granular and only look for the keywords that have that exact term, Nike shoes, in them, just click on this checkbox. Now, if I uncheck it, it's a little bit more broad, right? So you can see this list here: Nike women's shoes, Nike running shoes, Nike basketball shoes. So it's a little bit more broad if you leave it unchecked. Okay, and then you can also export this data. So you can copy this and paste it on maybe a Google spreadsheet. You can export this as an Excel file, CSV, PDF, or even print it. And then these two buttons here, you can add all of these keywords to your favorites list, or only add the keywords that you have highlighted. Okay, so once you've selected the stars here, just click on this button, and then it'll add all of these keywords that you've starred into your favorites list. So this is how you do quick and easy keyword research on eBay using Keywords Everywhere. So hopefully you thought this video was helpful, and we will see you in the next one. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want to learn more about Keywords Everywhere, feel free to click any of the videos on the screen. Thanks, and we will see you next time.